All right, let's talk about how you can add the degree symbol in Excel. So there are kind of two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both ways. So in this example here, we just have a header named temperature, and then let's just say for the next 5 hours, we're going to be recording temperatures, which we will indicate here. Now the first way to add a degree symbol is to double click in the cell that you're looking to add the degree symbol. You can hit space and then select the insert ribbon, go down to symbol, select symbol, and this little menu box will pop up, and it looks like the degree symbol is selected for us already, but sometimes you'll need to kind of dig through and find the degree symbol. So we'll go ahead and select that, go ahead and hit insert, and that will insert our degree symbol, and then we could label that Celsius or Fahrenheit, whatever temperature we're using. Now that can be a little bit tedious to have to manually insert the degree symbol every single time you're entering in a temperature. So what we can do is format cells that we will be entering temperatures into, or that already have temperatures entered into them. So let's say, for example, this first temperature recorded was 56 degrees Celsius. Now before formatting these cells, what we're going to want to do is copy this degree symbol that we've already inserted. So we'll hit Control C or just copy that. And then we're going to select the range of cells where we want the degree symbol to be added to. And then we'll go up to the home ribbon, go over to this number section, hit the drop down arrow here and select more number formats. Select custom. And then here it says general, but whatever is put here, just delete that. And what we're going to do is hit 0 and then Control V or paste that degree symbol that we had added previously. And since these will all be in Celsius, we can also add the capital C there. Now when we hit OK, that's going to automatically add that to the cell that we already have. And if we enter in any more temperatures, it will add that as well, like so. And there you have it. Those are kind of the two ways that you can add degree symbols in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.